Good morning, children. So today again I have come up with another video where I will be explaining you the uses of the definite article the. In my last video, or you can see my board work which I sent you all, I had explained to you that the is a definite article and we use it for some definite object. Just see the example here. In a book, especially in page 78 in EGC book, the example is like, there is a tree near my house. The tree bears mangoes. See the first sentence, I have not used the before tree. I have used a. There is a tree near my house. Because when I talk about an object for the first time, I use the word a. The second sentence, I have used the. The tree bears mangoes. Because in this sentence, I'm talking about a particular tree which is near my house. So when we speak about something particular or that has already been mentioned, then we use the word the. For example, another example like, I saw a boy standing near the gate. I saw a boy standing near the gate. The boy was wearing a blue shirt. The first time when I speak about the boy, I say a. I saw a boy standing near the gate. I don't know who the boy is. For the first time I'm mentioning. But when I talk about him the second time, I'm using the, because now I'm sure that I'm speaking about that particular boy. I saw a boy near the gate. The boy was wearing a blue shirt. Which boy? The boy standing near the gate. So in this case, I'm using the. Okay? So when you talk about any object which you have already mentioned in the first sentence, then we use the. This is one use of the. And there are many other uses of the. In your page 17 in EGC book, there are many uses given. Like, we don't use the before proper noun, before any proper noun. Like names of cities. I don't say the Delhi, I went to the Delhi, or I went to the Kanpur. Before names of any human beings, any animal, like the, we don't use the before proper noun. I cannot say I saw the Rita today in bus. What the Rita? We don't say the Rita. Okay. She stays in the India. We cannot say the India. So before names of, before proper nouns, we do not use the. But then there are some exceptions to the rule. Like, we say, he stays in the USA. He stays in the USA, he stays in the UK. Now you might ask, Auntie, just now you have told we don't use the before proper noun. Then why we have used the here? Because here we are using the, it is the UK, means it's the United States. It's a combination, it's an abbreviation. It is why we are using the. Okay? Now, we don't use the before abstract noun, before uncountable noun, and when we are speaking, and before proper nouns I have told, before abstract noun and uncountable noun, when we are speaking about them in general, like honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Here, honesty is abstract noun. Too much sugar is not good for health. Sugar. Sugar is here uncountable. Sugar is uncountable noun here. So sugar is uncountable noun. So when we speak about in general about any abstract noun or an uncountable noun, we don't use the. Like water is good, water is very necessary for our survival. Water is also uncountable noun. We don't use the. But then when we can use the for abstract noun, when we are speaking about special, about something special, like give me the sugar in that pot. Give me the sugar in that pot. Which sugar? That particular sugar which is in that pot. Here sugar is what? An uncountable noun. But we are using the because I am talking about a particular sugar which is in that pot. Similarly, if I say the water in that pond is very dirty, I am talking about the water which is in that pond, the special water. The water in that pot. I am pointing out to that special water, to that particular water. So I have used here the. Though water is uncountable, but in this case I am using the. Okay? So whenever we speak about anything